REKR stock analysis tomorrow and onward. So in this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether REKR Systems stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out. In general, REKR just blew up out of nowhere quite hard last week. In general, 58% up. It's phenomenal. But the reality behind this is that it's still not something that I would necessarily buy. Hasn't proved itself yet. I have done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years and spent thousands of dollars on course memberships. And even right now with REKR, it would only really mean like a clean short for me if I see a double break towards the downside. But what about the bullish side, Mr. Sika? Yes, I'll have to say, for me to be bullish like on REKR, I would love to see like a proper double break. I mean, in the meantime, everything else is noise. Just one movement up for the day is like not that much. So I'm taking it with a grain of salt. And that's about it. But yeah, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.